Meet Ryan, the head engineer at a thriving data center, entrusted with the crucial task of ensuring seamless operations. But when the lights start flickering and power failures loom, stress levels soar. Panic ensues among data center operators, bringing vital work to a halt. Mitsubishi Generator Series spring into action within 10 seconds, swiftly restoring power and showcasing their performance during critical moments. We comprehend the criticality of your operations. Mitsubishi Generator Series are engineered to anticipate and avert downtime, safeguarding your business continuity. From data centers to airport, healthcare, and beyond, our MGS ensures continuity and keeping our world moving forward no matter what challenges arise. Thanks to the reliability of MGS, professionals like Ryan can stay focused on their core responsibilities, enjoying peace of mind knowing that their operations are in safe hands.